Okay, good day everyone. So let's start. So topic number 4, implementation of SMS. Okay, so learn objectives. After completion of this part, you should have a basic understanding of the importance of the SMS implementation, and the correct use of the system will help the organization to improve and not be a stringent paper system. Then why involvement by all relevant personnel is important. Okay, so development. So commitment from top management, project organization, involvement from the company office and the vessel, the project information distributed regularly to all involved. So the SMS training to all employees. What is the SMS? How does it work? How will the various elements influence in their daily work? So all employees should be motivated to use the SMS to help and improve their job situation. So introducing the safety management system. So start using the system. After a while, perform an internal audit in order to control the degree of implementation. So everybody with a specific SMS responsibility must be trained, and the responsibility to be described in their job description. So top management must show their involvement. So ang kagandahan lang pag may SMS ka is pag tampa mo ng barko, syempre may mga guide ka na sa mga pwede mong gawin. Diba? So hindi lang siya basta-basta guide. So kailangan mo rin siya sundin, and then malesen natin yung human error, or yung mape-prevent natin yung mga accidents. So the advantage of using the SMS results in safe operation, high performance, and effective maintenance. So without using checklist, you may have serious accidents like this. So sana wag itong mangyari sa mga barkong sasampahan natin, di ba? So delikado din yan sa buhay natin, and then sa atin din delikado yan sa ating sa ating trabaho pala. Okay, so with the experience feedback, reporting of accidents and hazardous situations will reduce accidents, will improve safety standards, so improve cooperation, communication between ship and the company. So wag kang pag may nangyaring near miss or non-conformity or accident talaga yung nangyari, or incident may incident na nangyari, kailangan mo yang i-report. So hindi naman blaming yan na ay nangyari to dahil sa iyo, walang ganoon, walang blaming culture. Ginagawa yan para yung experience mo ay matutunan ng iba, para hindi rin mangyari sa kanila yon, and then mas ma-prevent natin yung mga more accidents na mangyari kasi natututo tayo, di ba? And then yung communication natin sa ship and sa company is gaganda lalo. So wag matakot mag-report lang, and then learn from it. That's the most important part, learning. Kasi pag ni-report mo, hindi mo naman ginagawa or wala ka namang natutunan, useless din, di ba? So without procedures, this may be the consequence. So I hope hindi mangyari naman yan sa atin. Okay, familiarization program on board. So pag sampa mo ng barko, syempre kailangan ka munang i-familiarize doon sa loob. So without familiarization, where is the firefighting equipment? For example, di ba? Pag may sunog, anong gagawin mo? Wala. Kasi hindi mo alam saan nakalagay yung mga bagay-bagay, yung mga equipment, hindi mo alam paano patayin, di ba? So with familiarization, alam mo agad pag may nakita ka apoy, alam mo na agad saan nakalagay yung fire extinguisher, kunin mo na lang, and then papatayin mo na agad yung apoy. Hindi yung mangangapa ka pa, magtatanong ka pa, saan ba yung fire extinguisher, di ba? So wala na, sunog na yung buong barko mo.